Mom's lesson about Facebook blows up in her face. Kira Hudson's 12-year-old daughter, Amia, wanted a Facebook account, but Kira didn't think it was a good idea. To prove her point, she posted this photograph of her daughter to Facebook, encouraging people to like and share the image to show Amia just how far an online photo can go. Mom had no idea just how right she was. The image was shared thousands and thousands of times and eventually made its way to 4chan. The users there, who are known for their extreme sense of online justice and rabid prankstering, went to town on the picture, reposting it like this and this. Then they tracked down Mom's address and telephone number, which meant crank calls and pizzas. At the end of the day, Mom learned a valuable lesson and took the image down. No word on what Amia thinks, but we're guessing she's like super embarrassed by what her mom did. But there's more. The Huffington Post published a note from Mom thanking the internet for teaching her about online security. She also added that the 4chaners attacked the family's former home and apologized to its new occupants for any distress caused.